Okay, so the next step which we have to do is we just have to initialize our remote stream. So I'll just find where I have written remote. Okay, so this one. Okay, I'll just search for it. So here inside create peer connection, you just have to initialize your remote stream. And here, if you remember, we had created this remote video element as well. We are just initializing the src object to our remote stream. Okay, then we require this as well, peer connection dot add listener for track. So I'm adding a event listener for our track. So inside our stream, whatever is the inside our event, whatever is the first stream, we get that, we get tracks from it, and then we just do a for each loop. We get that particular track, and then we just do remote stream dot add track. You pass our track as well as our remote stream. Mistake which I have made was inside offer to update, this should be answer dot username. Okay, so make sure on socket dot on new answer, here you update offer to update to answer dot answer username equal to username. So there was one more issue which I slipped from me. So basically, while doing socket dot on answer response, we were getting answer over here, but here I was passing offer object. This should be answer as well inside add answer, or you can name this as offer object and then pass offer object over here. Make sure these both are same. So that was the other mistake which I made. So time for the final output. Here I have my output open on Safari as well as on Firefox. Before, I'll just quickly refresh this. So what I'll do is that I'll just stop my server. It's better idea to stop your server as well as client if you want to. I'll quickly refresh this so that you don't see the answer button. The reason why we were seeing that answer button was I did a lot of changes in my code, and those socket IDs were bubbling up in my server. That's why it's a good idea to turn off your server as well as your client if you want to. Server has to be restarted because we did a lot of changes in our code. Now here I'm in my Safari browser. I'll just click on the call button. I will allow the permission. I'll go back to Firefox. I'll just disable the audio for this because there is a lot of echo. I'll go to Firefox. I'll click on answer. And as you can see, I'm able to see all the live feed both from the sender as well as the receiver. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.